Today we're going to be talking about the literary definition of foil. And a foil is a character who contrasts another character, usually the protagonist, in order to highlight qualities of the other character. For example, Draco and Harry Potter, on opposite sides of a great wizarding war. Or, like Tom Buchanan and Jay Gatsby, both fighting for the affections of the same woman, but in very different ways. Also, Benvolio and Tybalt, one being mellow while the other is violent, leading into some not-so-great conclusions for these characters. Speaking of them, that leads us to another example from the same story, Romeo and Mercutio, who gives an example of friends who have opposing personalities. For emphasis, Romeo has his head in the clouds, while Mercutio is a more reasonable person, a lot like Holmes and Watson. This just goes to show that the foil doesn't always have to be the antagonist. We also have characters with opposing ideologies, which also act as foils. Elizabeth Proctor and Abigail Williams from The Crucible one being good and proper, while the other acts outside most societal norms. Or, like Steve Rogers and Tony Stark, whose ideologies are more pronounced when the characters are in the same story. Or, like Aaron Burr and Alexander Hamilton, whose life philosophies are more opposed in the musical Hamilton.